For today, rice. Hold right down. Hello guys, there's a break up. Coming to Vietnam! So we're now here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1 and we're now waiting for our boarding. Nakalagpasan din tayo ng immigration. Thankfully, walang tinanong sa akin. Hinahina ko lang yung ID ko and then that's it. Thank you, Lord. Annyeong! Ciao! So, now we're boarding the plane. So excited. Store. They gave us wipes. Finally, push button.
Tapi keren bahasa Indonesia.
Bye, Manila. See you soon. Ciao. Chicken or noodles together. Kaya na lang yung pinili namin. Yeah, let's enjoy our meal. This is our full lunch for today. Let's eat. Touchdown, Vietnam. And as of now, it's raining. It's raining outside. So yeah, sana ay feel safe going to Sama. Yeah. Hi, welcome to Vietnam. Are you happy? Yeah. Welcome to Vietnam. Hi! Na-clear na din sa immigration. So, let's get our luggages. Xin chào! Oh, Carousel 1. Let's go in Carousel 1. KE441. Casa. Hi! Parating na din kami ng Vietnam. How did you make your first million?
3 na yan.
3 million. Grabe naman. Okay, our money for today. Annyeong. We are here at the arrival area of Noi Bai International Airport. Mali yung binok ko na bus. Should be 9:30 pero 10:30 pa. So, ang tagal lang maghintay dito sa airport. Anong masasabi mo sa katangahan ko? Honeybee? Ay, wala. No comment siya. Atake! We will wait for more time. Annyeong! Oh my God, guys. Shocker! Ang lamig sa labas! Umusok na po yung aking bibig. Hindi lang makita. Charot. Hindi siya makita! Basta umusok yung bibig. Ang lamig talaga, ate ko! Guys, hindi ko na kaya. Nag-scarf na ako kasi super lamig. Umusok na yung bibig ko!
Nakakatik ka.
Hindi.
Maraming ako na gamit ako ito.
Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Wala na akong lipstick. It's raining here and sasakay na kami ng bus. Annyeong! Ang lamig! So we're now here at the sleeper bus. So we're actually now the sleeper bus and we're going to Sapa. Medyo na-delay. Hindi siya medyo, na-delay siya. No more than 30 minutes. Pero at least nakalis na kami. Kahit lang maling sa labas. Umusok na yung bibig namin sa sobrang lamig. At least may bibig dito ang tuwan. Ayun na. Massage chair. May free walker. And free wipes. And my charging station din siya. Tutulong ko. We're in our first stop. And we ordered pho because ang lamig.
Fa fa fa
Pho, pho,
fa
pho.
fa 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 fa
We
fa.
will not try the pho in Vietnam.
Ano may ito? Order na to?
Wow.
Hưng Yên Lào Cai xin mời về xe. Những khách hàng đã đi xe duyệt thể tuyến đường Thái Bình Hưng Yên Lào Cai xin mời về xe.
Hindi na kami bumaba. Super tired. At putol-putol ng tubig ko. So, update ko na lang po pag dumating namin sa so dito na tayo. We're here in Sapa, Vietnam. Today's temperature is 9 degrees. We're just waiting for the shuttle going to our hotel. And then maglilipat na tayo after. Here's our room for 2 nights. May 2 king bed and 2 single beds. Malapit po tayo sa Sapa Plaza. Medyo foggy lang siya. And this is our bathroom. It's quite spacious naman. And thankfully may blower, may soap, may toothbrush, I guess. It's complete package naman siya. That's the end of our room tour. Annyeong! Lalabas tayo to buy jacket kasi na-underestimate naman yung weather ng Sapa. So po, apakalamig. Hindi kaya ng sweater ko. So we will buy proper jackets or kung ano yung makita namin sa labas. I'll just prepare myself and then we will go outside. Yeah.
malit na siguro yung ilog.
Check. Hi. So we're just roaming around Sapa. One, two, three.
Nilubong malagoob yun. Parang ang umpisa po una. Ulo na nagpanang nang dito sa pihak na nagpanang.
So we're done buying water and food, and we're so cold right now. Ang lamig. We're so cold right now. So foggy as hell right now. Pauwi na po kami. This is the Sapa station behind me. See my breath? Ang lamig. Let's go home because it's so hot. At wala akong cover. Isang layer lang po yung damit ko. Nyang!